This weighs way more than the gold card. So an example, I'll just show you guys. Yo guys, what is going on, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I got something pretty special right here. This is the Lion credit card, and no, this video was not sponsored by them, but they were actually kind enough to send me this out. I'm going to be going over the process that I took to get this. I'm going to be sharing with you just like the quality of this card, exactly what you guys should expect, and then what this card looks like. So let's do an unboxing of this video, and then I'll come back and do the whole thing where I just give my own thoughts about the Lion credit card. So big thank you to Lion credit card for sending me this video. Let's see what the quality is like now. Okay guys, so this is the Lion credit card right here. Cannot wait to unbox this, and here we are with the first impressions. So we have the box. This is like, it's my old card right here. So two of my old cards, and if you guys didn't know, I'll cover this later actually in the video, just on the different chips, because sometimes they can't accept and translate the newer chips, but they can with the older cards. I'll share with you guys exactly how you can make sure you get the older cards. So it comes with those two, and it actually comes with this sweet little poker chip thing right here. Has our phone number on here. Convert your plastic card into metal, so we'll put that right there. Okay guys, so here is the magic that you guys have all been waiting for. This is the card I ordered right here. Wow, okay. So right off the bat, this card is pretty shiny. You can actually see myself. Hey guys. You guys can actually see me in the reflection of this, but this is the Lion credit card right here. I actually asked them to give me the American Express design, and you can change the borders to any design that you want, but I just wanted a simple American Express design. They added my name, they have the chip. If we do a quick before and after of these two cards, you can see this weighs way more than the gold card. So an example, I'll just show you guys. That right there should show you guys a good example of the weight. If you guys want to see it one more time. One more time. This right here is made out of 24 karat gold, and I think this is one of the most amazing cards that I've gotten. This is truly going to be a flex card. Alright, so first things first, you guys, let's talk about what Lion Card is and what they aren't. Lion Card is not a credit card company. What they do is they take any of your regular cards. It does not have to be the American Express Gold card. You could give them your City card or your Chase Freedom Unlimited card, and they can add whatever design you want. If you want just the straight up black card, that's what you can get from them. Now, I know a lot of people are skeptical about shipping out their cards to another company, and I was at first too, but one of the things you guys need to realize is this is a legitimate business. They're making more money off of actually selling these credit cards and designing them than they would from selling your data. So what they can do is actually just remove the chip off this card. They literally do like surgery on this card. They put it onto another card. So the gold card in this hand right here is actually a little bit different from the gold card right here. If you guys can notice the difference, the chip is a little bit bigger on this one than it is on this one right here, and the reason why is this has the contactless feature. So this one does not have the contactless card. Right now, when this video was filmed, you still have the option to not get a contactless card. All you have to do is go on American Express's website and then just request a non-contactless card, just request a regular metal card, and what they will do is send you this one. Once I received the new card, what I did was I shipped it off in a prepaid label over to Lion Credit Cards. What they do is they get this laser engraving machine, and Johnny actually sent me a video of the whole process. He showed me the cards I had, the ones that they were working on, the video of the laser happening, and he just kept me up to date about exactly what was going on with this card. That's something I really appreciate. Now, one of the things that you guys need to understand about this card is that it is very prone to fingerprints. Other than the reflection, maybe if I can catch the light right. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys and say I don't have really sweaty hands, because your boy got them clam hands, and I'll be real with that. So I got my little microfiber cloth right here. I don't know if I need to take this out, you know, when I'm about to flex after a nice meal, but once I rub it out just a bit, I'll edit that part out. Once I rub out that you guys can see just how clean this is, that just doesn't even make sense to me. So right here I have my camera set up, but this is such a nice and beautiful looking card. Ooh, I think two of the biggest benefits about this card is first the quality. the weight. The weight is insane. On the second thing is the appearance. You can customize your own graphic onto here. If you own your own company, then you can get your company logo on here as well too. I know even from a survival standpoint that if I ever got stranded on an island and I had my American Express Gold card, I could use this to like start a fire, like magnify this, or I could use this to reflect into a nearby passing plane to save me. I think on top of the fact that it's a flex value card, that it offers a little bit of protection as well. Now I want to touch very briefly on the black card that I got from them too. This feels very similar to the American Express Centurion card, and you might be wondering, oh, how do you know how that feels? Well, actually one of my old friends had that card. His dad actually owned that card, so we actually used that quite a bit when I was in high school. So this weight is very, very similar to the Centurion card, which is made out of titanium. I'm not sure if this is made out of titanium as well too. I think it is, but this is a very sturdy card too. I think the gold has just a little bit of weight. It might all be in my head, but that's just what it feels like. The gold card definitely has a smoother finish, and like I said, I'm expecting this card to get a lot of fingerprints and a lot of scratches. So just in my personal life, I've seen opportunities come just from having a certain credit card. As crazy as it sounds, I really have. If you give this to a waiter, they're gonna ask you what you do. If you give this to a worker somewhere, most of the time people think this is like an invitation only card anyways. I get comments on my card all the time, and this is just gonna be something next level. All right guys, so I hope I covered everything in this video. I'm not sure if I missed out on anything, but if I did, if you guys have any questions, I'll respond to all of them. Just let me know down below in the comments, and I can make an update video. If you have the actual American Express Gold card, then I recommend getting the 24 karat gold and just making it even better. I think this is like what the gold card from American Express should actually be. So that's what I would do. But if you guys don't have the American Express Gold card, what I would recommend is if you have like your Chase Sapphire Preferred or your Chase Sapphire Reserve, get that card and look into either the black card design or the chrome card design, and then just add your own custom logo to it. It could have Visa, it could have nothing at all on there, but I feel like that's another way for you guys to stand out if you want. Before I end this video, big thanks to Lion Credit Card for sending this over. I do appreciate, and a couple of announcements before I end the video. I will be speaking at a travel event. It's called FBZ Elite Summit. That's listed down in the description below. I think they have a couple tickets left. I'm not sure if they sold out yet, but use code BJLovesCredit at checkout. You guys will get $50 off, and you guys have an opportunity to meet me. We can get drinks or something, but we'll hang out in Austin, Texas. That's where it's located, so you guys can check that out below. If you guys are interested in getting any credit cards, feel free to check out the credit cards I have listed down below. On top of that, you guys, I'm also thinking about being at FinCon. Most likely, I will be at FinCon. I know Sebastian and Ben and a lot of the other bigger YouTubers like Ryan Scribner will all be at FinCon. So if you guys want to have an opportunity to meet a lot of influencers, I think I'll be there too. So that's another event. Ticket prices are pretty heavy. Like honestly, I was actually not sure if I was gonna go. I'm honestly just going for the networking possibility. So it's like $500 right now. They do have a discount code too. It's like Summer Love or Summer Credit or something, and that'll give you like $50 off, but it is half a rack, so I would take that into consideration. Now, final announcement is if you guys are interested in the Lion Credit Card, you guys can use a promo code called Credit20. That'll get you another $20 off. So I guess that's all the information I had for you guys. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of this card. If I did miss out on anything, if you guys want to see me use this in public and just get like a reaction video, I can definitely do that, but just let me know down below in the comments. But in the meantime, I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.